Meanwhile, it's yet another day of intense heat today. This as isolated storms rolled through our area. Let's bring in meteorologist Audrey Puente for our first look at the forecast, including whether this first full week of summer brings any real relief from the scorcher. Audrey.
I think we will get that, Arthur, starting tomorrow. But today was the fourth day of our heat wave in New York City. We had a reading of 92 degrees earlier this afternoon. And remember, on Thursday we were in the 90s, same thing for Friday. And for Saturday, we had 4 straight days here. But in other places like Newark, you were on your 6th and 7th day starting today as well. Okay, so our radar is showing that we had a lot of activity come across the region earlier, but most of it has now moved offshore. We had some strong to severe thunderstorms firing up across the area earlier this afternoon and evening, and now we're left with just some steady rainfall along the Jersey Shore. It's really south of Point Pleasant heading down towards Long Beach Island where we're seeing that rainfall, and there is one storm cell just north of Barnegat right now. It is moving eastward. It's not classified as severe, but it is producing cloud-to-ground lightning and some significant downpours. Off to the north, we've got a couple of isolated showers here across the Hudson Valley, like one just south of New Windsor, one near Bedford, and also one just moving out of Yonkers, one moving over towards Fairfield County at the moment. There's more showers out toward the west here, and so I'm going to leave in the chance for a couple of more showers, maybe a thunderstorm too, but nothing severe. I think we will see everything come to an end overnight tonight, and by tomorrow morning we should fare a little bit better as we start off our week here. Clouds are still remaining in place here, even if it's not raining. We're at 80 degrees in Central Park, so still pretty warm at this late hour. We're a degree shorter there at 79. Atlantic City's also checking in at 79 degrees. There's a cold front in our vicinity, and we're waiting for it to push through here. Once it does, we'll have drier air working into the region starting tomorrow, and our temperatures are also going to come down, making things a little bit more bearable. Our planner is showing that we'll be in the 70s as you head out the door tomorrow morning, and it looks like by noontime we'll be at about 84 degrees. The good news is we're going to stay in the 80s as we go into the afternoon, so we'll get a break into this heat wave, but the heat will return later this week. I'll have the details on when coming up.
All right, cold front. Thank you so much, Audrey. Meanwhile, New Yorkers, for New Yorkers, Sunday was another day spent trying to survive this heat. Some cooled off by opening fire hydrants, while others sat in the shade with friends and family. And a lot of people we saw didn't let the hot temperatures get in the way of barbecues, shopping, leisurely strolls, and sports. And we might add, everywhere our cameras went, businesses selling frozen treats and ice cream were doing A-OK.
Baby, here with this, man. This on water.
I love the heat, so I don't have no complaint with it. I really, really don't.
We all get together every summer, and we come here enjoying,
Lovely. Unfortunately, the city's outdoor pools weren't part of the solution today. They don't open for the season until this Thursday.